Good morning, weavers. So welcome to the day 8 of the 30-day wave journey. So I'm going to be showing you how my wave looks like after the wash and style from day 7. So here is how it looks like. You can see the obvious progress after the whole thing. So today we are going to be doing our morning routine again, whereby we'll be applying our pomade. So these two. So you make it go round. But I feel like I've not been brushing the back area well enough. So just try to pay attention to the brushing. Let it go even. So let's apply a little bit of the oil today to keep our waves shiny. So the next thing, let's get into the brushing session for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to be paying more attention to the back area because I feel like the progress is coming more in the front than the back. So, and don't forget to always focus on the crown area. You can just take a minute to focus on the crown area. Just brush forward this way, then this way. Just try to make that opening where everything would connect from the side. So continue. Yeah, so we're done with our brushing session for today. We want to lay it down with our Ziploc bag for about a minute or so. Now we're done with that. We want to rag up. So basically I feel like there are different types of weavers. There are some people that have this wave thing naturally, so they don't have to put in a lot of work. They just have to brush for a little and their waves is intact. And there are some people that don't have waves naturally, but then they have this natural soft and fine hair, so they don't need to put a lot of work. And then there's us that has this coarse hair, very hard, very coarse hair, that we need to put in a lot of work, put in a lot of brushing session. So it depends on your hair texture. Actually, that's going to determine how fast you will get your waves. Like I do have a coarse hair, so I need to put in a lot of work. So if you are watching this and you have this fine hair, it's not going to be as difficult as this. So you just have to put in a little bit of work. And if you have a coarse hair, then that means you have to put in a lot of work. So yeah, so that's all for day 8. Tomorrow we'll be doing another wash and style. Yeah, thank you.